Okay, hi everybody. This is Terry Brown here, and first thing I want to do is wish you a very happy and blessed new year for 2022. Thankfully, thank the Lord, we've made it. Okay, I know it's been a rough couple of years, 2020, 2021, but now we're in 2022, and I believe we're going to have a great year this year. And so in this particular video, I want to introduce a wonderful opportunity that my wife and I got involved in, and that's with the Northestar company, health and wellness. Okay. But they are unique. They are different in that they've got a and I know you've heard it before, but it's true, very powerful compensation plan. The products are simply amazing. Okay. And the opportunity itself is it's really different. It's really unique, and people can really create wealth with this program. So just today, in this video, I want to just share some things briefly with you, and then we're going to continue to create videos that will give more information and more insight into this incredible opportunity. Okay. So the first thing I want to do, just share this thought with you right here. Okay, so if you've had thoughts about changing your life and your lifestyle, then you're in the right place. If you're interested in health, wellness, and creating wealth online, from home, etc., then you're in the right place as well. So I want to quickly share a thought with you about this incredible opportunity, Northestar, the Northestar company. And before I do go there, I want to let you know that the Change Your Life Club is our team. We've also partnered with one of the top teams in the company. So if you are looking to partner with somebody, you would definitely want to consider what we're doing. Okay, we've got a very powerful program to help people in building this business. So let me just share, let's get into just a thought or two about this opportunity, the Northestar business opportunity, health, wellness, creating wealth, okay, online, from home, etc. Great gig economy opportunity. Okay. All right. Okay, so here we are, and I'm gonna share just this first page briefly on the website. Okay, the Northestar website. And I love that question. It says, "Are you ready to live a purpose-driven life?" You know, we each have to answer that question for ourselves, of course. And so, are you ready to live a purpose-driven life? Am I ready to live a purpose-driven life? Absolutely. Okay, so Northestar is a great business opportunity. What I love about this opportunity is one, the products. Okay, products are simply amazing, and the comp plan is unlike any other compensation plan in the industry. And you've probably heard that before, but it's absolutely true with this opportunity. Okay. Before I talk just a little bit for a few moments about the mission of this company, I want to share something with you really quickly. So stay with me for just a couple more minutes. Okay. Okay. Now what I've done is I put together a splash page. Okay. And you can come here and you can look at the comp plan. I'm putting everything in one place for you so that you can come and check things out. Okay, so here, I guess the most important things would be the comp plan at this point, and also the products. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to the splash page, and you can come here and you can take a look at, again, this amazing comp plan. And I'm going to be doing other videos. Okay, I'm going to be sharing a lot. I'm going to break things down for people in some concise information for everybody. Okay, and the products, man, you've got to listen to this video about the products, and then we're going to be sharing some testimonials, the whole bit. This is just absolutely incredible. Okay, so again, I'm going to leave the link for you so that you can check this out on this particular splash page. And then if you go here, it's going to take you right to the website where you can get signed up for free, and you can start sharing. You can start getting some product. You can start making some money. Okay, and the comp plan is that powerful. Even if you didn't want to build a team, all right, you could just market the products, and you can make some pretty good money just doing that. So that's something to think about. Okay, all right, so let me get back. All right, so quickly, just want to share the mission of this company with you. And it says that our mission is to impact the world with our trusted wellness products and unique affiliate opportunity. And it is a unique affiliate opportunity because you're not going to get the kind of income anywhere else. And I've looked around, and I've been in health and wellness, and I've looked at, I was going to go another direction, but after I looked at these products and this wealth plan that they have, guess what? There's not much better out here. Okay, so our mission is to impact the world with our trusted wellness products and unique affiliate opportunity. We understand that a rising tide fits all ships. We are committed to ethical leadership that leads the space of network marketing in product innovation, inspiration, and customer care. Okay, so there you have it. And I will be doing some other videos really soon. As a matter of fact, I might do another one today, so that I'll share another aspect of this wonderful opportunity. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and wishing you again a very happy and blessed 2022. Can you believe it? 2022, man. We're going to rock and roll. We're going to move forward in a dynamic way. And so if you want to be part of a great movement, then come on and join this Northestar opportunity. I'll leave that link, and bye-bye now.